Hey there, my name is Benoît, and this is my electric vehicle. I've had it since 2017. It's a Tesla Model S, and I'm going to talk to you a little more about it today. And we'll start with just, a question that most people have, which is, how do you keep it charged? So one of the options is that you can get a charging station installed at your own home, which I did. Trap door opens, and an inviting light gets you to push it in, and there it goes. That's it. You can get your car charged in 4 to 6 hours depending on how much you need. And if you want a quick charge while you're shopping, while you're having a coffee, in 20 minutes or 30 minutes you'll have your car pretty much ready to go for a long trip. Okay, and now that we've got a charge, let's go for a ride. One of the most interesting aspects of driving an EV is the use of the accelerator pedal to basically do everything, accelerating and slowing down. And every time you use the pedal to slow down instead of the brakes, you return energy to your battery. And of course, accelerations are super fun. Nobody can beat you with the green light. If you have a plan to purchase a new vehicle soon, and you're planning to put 30K or more on a new vehicle, if you're going to be considering a gasoline car or a diesel car, I think you're making a big mistake. You are preparing yourself for accepting a lot of compromises compared to an electric vehicle. I don't know what's not to like about an EV. You'll be very happy with it. You will have absolutely zero compromise. And if you have 30K or more to devote to a new vehicle, why should you buy a gas car? Why should you buy a diesel car when you can have a fun vehicle that will have no competitor on the road, that will be fun to drive, that will be saving you tons of money in fuel, in maintenance, and will keep your garage clean, smell-free, no more exhaust smells, no more exhaust fumes, no more oil. Perfect. And remember, EVs have very few moving parts. They will last a long time. Their battery packs will last a long time, and they will retain their value because they keep updating, they keep getting better with regular software updates.